Today in this video we are going to start learning algebra. I am going to cover each and every topic in algebra. So at the end of the series of these videos you will be able to do all types of problem involving algebra. So let's start. Let's start with the first very fundamental unit, which is a term. How we get a term? Generally what we have is we have numbers, right? We have numbers. If you'll notice about numbers, numbers can be maybe 2, it can be a negative value, it can be a fraction, right? A number can be a fraction, or it could be a decimal. So numbers are generally constants. Numbers are constants. They have a fixed value. That's why we call them constants. Now, sometimes we need to work with the value which is not known, or else which is still unknown and or maybe changing its value. That means it's varying. We call them variables. Variables because its value is varying, or maybe we don't know at the moment. And for these we usually start with small letters. You can use X, Y, A, B, C, or else MN. There are many. Even you can use symbols and capital letters and other stuffs later. Not now, since we are just starting, we'll start with simple. So these are the variables. If you combine these two together, that means take one from a number and one from the variable. So let's take a 2 from here and x. So I will get 2x. 2x is term. 2x is the term. Now, even a term could be 1. So we can also have a constant as 1. So if I'm taking 1, then it will look like this. And then any variable from here. So let's take m. 1m. So 1m is also a term. Usually you can see I have written 1 with a light color because it's not necessary to write the 1. If m is there, there is 1m. So it will be written as just m. So 1 is actually invisible. Same thing, if I'm taking a negative value with something, so let's take like negative 3a. So this term is a negative term. In that sense, these terms are positive terms. So if we need, then we can put a positive sign in front of them. Otherwise, when it's not needed, we don't need to write a positive sign. In the next video, we'll see how we can use the positive and negative terms and how and when we can use positive and negative sign.